Listen up. Are you a member of the Canisius College Academic Talent Search Program and can use some extra prizes around this holiday season? Well, guess what? We got something special for you. It's the Canisius Cash Incentive Contest running from November 19th to December 17th, where just for participating in our virtual tutoring, mentoring, and workshops, or even referring new participants, you'll be able to earn Canisius Cash points to use for various prizes. Participation must be verified by ATS staff in order to distribute points. Grand prize of a $100 Walmart gift card is also on the line. Prizes will be announced virtually on Friday, December 18th at 3:30. For more information, make sure you contact your ATS counselor or follow us on social media at CCATS2017. This contest is only for participants of the Canisius College Academic Talent Search Program. So if you're not a part of the team and you want to get down, make sure you visit our website and get signed up so you can participate and also possibly win.